వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. మానదేన ఎపిసోడ్ 8. What are the characteristics of such a devotee? First of all, he never wastes his time. Avyartha kalatva, utilizing of time, every moment, every second. He utilizes his time in Krishna's service or something which belongs to pure devotional service. He never wastes his time single minute. Externally it appears he wastes his time. Internally he does not speculate. He does not waste time in any way, because mental time is sometimes more significant than physical time. Physically you are moving here and there, everything you are doing, but mind is speculating on something. So this is one of the symptoms of the highly elevated devotee. He does not waste his time. Avyartha kalatva, utilizing of time. It is the quality of a bhava bhakta. The first symptom of bhava bhakta is avyartha kalatva. Next, manasunyata, false pride. He is completely free from false pride. That is second symptom of bhava bhakta. He is completely free from false pride. Everything surrenders to Lord. Because of that, he never thinks of anything of his own. That's why he is completely free from false pride. Third one, he has got actual taste for hearing and chanting. That means namagane sada ruchi. Automatically, whenever he got the opportunity for hearing and chanting, he is completely immersed. He does not look at the clock. How many more minutes are there? How many more minutes are there? So, he is completely absorbed in namagane sada ruchi, completely attached to the taste of the holy name of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. So attachment to the holy name. Next, kshanti, perseverance. He has perseverance in doing things which are connected to devotional service. Next, he relaxed then among the devotees discuss wherever discussions of pastimes of Krishna. That means tada gunakyane asakti. Wherever discussions of pastimes, names and his activities are going on, he relaxed then among the devotees, discuss. Next quality, he is totally confident in Krishna's protection. Great hope, asabandha. Although I am useless, totally hopeless, but Krishna will definitely deliver me. Krishna will not let go all the living entities. He will definitely sure to deliver me. Therefore, he keeps on discharging his duties with total confidence. I have to keep on doing my services. Others may try to misunderstanding. According to Srila Prabhupada, depressive, repressive, compressive. But devotee does not discourage by any of these things, either depressive, repressive or compressive. He keeps on doing his duty faithfully, knowing that Krishna will be pleased. That kind of service will give transcendental benefit. So, a devotee's way of understanding the advanced devotee's position is not by sentiment. It is by careful study. Just like if you want to buy a diamond, you very carefully study its qualities. And then you know what is a diamond. What is high quality, what is low quality diamond. Diamonds are different categories. Such diamonds are lakhs and lakhs rupees. A devotee know all these things. By proper understanding from the scriptures, not by sentiment. One of the qualities of a devotee is completely free from with his association to accept transformation in the heart. Because Krishna sits in the heart of such a devotee who is transcendently situated. One's heart is completely filled with love, then Krishna will sit in the heart. When you come into contact with such a devotee, you will naturally feel a transformation of your nature. You feel that I want to give up myself. I want to become more dedicated. I want to become truthful. I want to become humble. This type of qualities. Kshanti, Virakti, detached. Chanting Krishna's sweet names is the king of all sadhanas. King of all sadhanas is chanting Krishna's name. By chanting, automatically in his heart, Krishna motivates him detachment from this material world and induces attachment towards the devotees, activities of Krishna, hearing about Krishna, discussing about Krishna's pastimes, such type of things induces in his heart. That is called, that means Virakti. Next, Samutkanta, eagerness to get protection from Krishna. He is always have faith in Krishna. Krishna will protect me surely. He never doubts about it. That is called Samutkanta. Next, Tad Vasati Stale Priti. Wherever Krishna resides, either Vrindavan, Madhura, or Jagannath Puri, those places are Krishna's places. He wants to reside in that places. Tad vasati stale priti. All such desires of spiritual transformation in the heart, by the association of such a great devotee, we can develop according to this class. How to offer respect to 5 living entities, Brahmanas, cows, women, children, elderly persons. All of them are important for spiritual pragati. So first one, Brahmanas. How to offer respect to Brahmanas. Next, how to give protection to the cows. Gokoti Danam Grahane Kagasya Prayaga Gangodaka Kalpavasya. How to offer Brahmanas means Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prem Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanyanam Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaicha. Krishna always give respect to Brahmanas and cows. Next, Gokoti Danam Grahane Kagasya Prayaga Gangodaka Kalpavasya. Cows. Women are also helpless person, children are also helpless person, elderly persons also helpless persons. So all of them are important for spiritual pragati. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. Sri Guru Maharaj ki jai, Sri Prabhupada ki jai, Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare